Three women charged in connection with businessman's murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives from the Kingston West Criminal Investigation Branch CIB have led multiple charges against three females in connection with the killing of 42-year-old Kingston businessman Kevin Walker. The women aged are between the ages of 29 and 36 years old, and they have been charged with murder, conspiracy to murder, simple larceny, being part of a criminal organization, provide benefit to criminals organization, misprision of felony, accessory to the fact and accessory after the fact, and preventing the unlawful burial of a corpse following Walker's death on February the 1st. Those charged have been identified as Aneta Wenzel, Shade Bennett of Oxford Street, and Johanna Williams. Reports from the Denhamtown Police indicated that at about 11 a.m. on February the 1st, Walker was invited to a location where he was allegedly accosted and taken to a premises by four men who robbed him of his credit card and debit cards. It's alleged that Wenzel and Bennett subsequently made cash withdrawals at a nearby ATM before returning to the location where the stolen money was reportedly shared. The men also allegedly assaulted Walker and inflicted multiple stab wounds to his upper body. Later that day, Walker's body was reportedly placed in a blue barrel and disposed of in a gully along Industrial Terrace in Kingston. On Sunday, February the 2nd, a missing person report was filed for Walker, prompting an investigation. The following day, police were alerted to the discovery of the body in a barrel along Industrial Terrace. Upon arrival, the law enforcement officers transported the body to the hospital, where it was officially pronounced dead. Further investigation led to the identification of the remains, and on February the 5th, the police conducted a targeted operations at premises on Mark Lane in Kingston. During the raid, Wenzel was reportedly found in possession of a credit card belonging to Walker. Subsequent investigation led to the apprehension of Bennett and Williams on Oxford Street in Kingston. Following a question and answer session in the presence of their attorney, all three women were formally charged. Another suspect in the matter was fatally shot by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.